This video will explain how to use the WordPress customizer to edit your navigation menu. To get started, open up the customizer and click on Menus. One key difference between using the customizer and the Appearances section in the WordPress admin is that the customizer will only show menus that apply to the current page you are viewing. So let's say you have an extra menu that only shows on your blog pages. You might need to navigate to one of those pages to see that menu available for editing in the customizer. Once you click on the menu you want, you'll be able to change the menu name and also drag and drop different items into the order you want. Just like in the admin, you can indent items under others to create a submenu. To add to your menu, just scroll down and click the Add Items button. From there, you can choose a page or post, or even add a custom URL. You can also change which menu area a menu is assigned to right here in the customizer. Any changes you make will be previewed in real time in the right panel. When you're done, make sure to click the Publish button. The changes will now be live on your site. Check out the rest of our Using WordPress series for more tips on using your WordPress website.